So we start off today's video with this fresh hair color change. She has brown hair and decided to go blonde. Absolutely love this blonde bob hair change. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be looking at a variety of hair transformations. So just in case you couldn't get enough of the first blonde bob, we have someone else deciding to get a bob. She is getting more of like an asymmetrical shape with this hair change. And I love the dimensional color that her blonde bob has. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have another hair transformation. So she has shoulder length hair. She has a really pretty chocolate brown and blonde hair color mix. Very popular combo that I've been seeing these past couple of months. So it looks like the stylist might be doing more of like a shaggy look for this one. And the color is what really just stands out and gives it that fresh statement feel. Very modernized way to do a shaggy cut. Very rocker chic. It almost had a bit of feel of like a mullet as well. And we're seeing that too, a lot of shaggy mullet styles. So here we have yet another take on the blonde bob trend. This blonde does feature a little bit more of like an ash blonde coloring. Wow, this has an absolutely gorgeous shape and texture to it. Definitely more of like a classic bob haircut. So then we see someone else with a bob. She has beautiful salt and pepper hair. And she decided to cut her strands into a pixie. Gorgeous transformation. This one features some nice choppy layers mixed in. Very chic and stylish way to rock out a pixie cut. And of course, what's great about this as well is that it is very low maintenance. Nice, simple, carefree style option. So then we move into something very modern, fashion forward. This beautiful green bob with peaks of color underneath. Loving the baby bangs. And as you guys know, baby bangs are a huge trend that we're seeing right now. This is an absolutely gorgeous statement making haircut. And then we see a baby pixie mullet style. Very rocker chic. We're seeing so many different variations with this look this season. And then we have another kind of like pixie mullet. Beautiful shape and texture. So next up, we have another hair color change. Wow, this is like a really pretty rose gold color. Absolutely stunning. Such a unique hair shade. It's almost like a rose gold plum type of feel to it. And then we have like a pixie haircut playing on that pixie bob style. She also went a little bit darker. And then we have this gorgeous pastel bob. Looks like a really pretty mix of lilac, baby blue, maybe even a hint of mint green there. And then we have another hair color transformation. Wow, oh, so this is the full transformation of that pastel bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So then we see someone with copper colored hair. This does look like it might be her natural hair color. I could be wrong, but it looks very natural to me. She does have her eyebrows the same hue as well. And she has decided to switch things up with this gorgeous bob haircut. Wow, what a transformation. She looks incredible. So we have another hair color change for our last transformation of today. Looks like she's going blonde, blonde, blonde. Mixing in some clip-ins. Wow. She looks stunning. I love her makeup as well. Just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.